youtube.com and press enter. YouTube will get open in your browser. Type the desired song, video, or anything you want to download. Type it in the search bar, click it, then the desired video is being opened here. I'll just scroll down a little bit. Over here you will find couple of menu button. Click the download button on the right hand side. Select the pixel 480 or 144 depending on the quality of the video you want to download. Click download. Your download will start automatically. Once the download is being started, you will see in the below in the left hand side it's showing the download. Now the once the download it get a little bit progress depending upon the internet connectivity you have, what's the speed you have. So once this download will get completed automatically, and it will give you the message like the download has been completed. Once it get completed, you can test this video. So how we will going to test it? You need to wait here unless and until this download is being completed, depending upon the internet connectivity issue, like how much speed you have. It will speed up the download process. If you're using your mobile device, it will take the mobile data. So once here the download has been completed, I'll test it. I'll turn off my internet connection. Here you can see I can play this video without having the internet connection. So in this way you can download any video and play it